I'm not going to lie, I've got zero motivation, absolutely zero today, but I am going to try and crack on and get this done. I'm going to do a lot of clean up around the axle brackets, drill out some spot welds, and then I'll show you how I'm going to make the jig for the brackets to keep in place. So this is what we're dealing with today. I'm going to cut this off here, this weld here. There might be some spot welds in here. I'm going to have to try and find some of them and find the little dimples so I can drill out the spot welds. But I'm not too worried about this bit and the other side, because I can do that once I make the jig across the other side, which I'll probably weld to this bit here to the other side to keep it in place. But you can see how bad it is there. Look, it's quite rotten right down here. Got to replace all this. So obviously I want to make a new piece of the chassis to go in there. That's the reason why I'm making the jig first. But I will start cleaning this up. I won't show you too much of it cleaning up because it is a little bit boring for you to watch. But I'll put a little bit in there so you can see what I'm doing. But I'm hoping at the back there, right across there, is to put a bit of box section across there. Then I'll put some tubing across, and tubing across here, and then I can bolt it together as one piece. And then when I drill these spot welds up, hopefully this will all come off and keep secure on the jig I make. But we'll see how we go. So I've drilled this out, the spot welds on the bracket, but obviously got to do these down here. Obviously I can't do that until I put the make the jig. I'm using that box section down there as well, and I'm using this to go across the car, that box section. So I'm going to put 2 lengths across, and I'm going to weld them either side of there. So one there, come across to the other side, and then weld another bit of box section in here, and come across to the probably the spare wheel well, weld it onto there. I'll show you a plan to see if I'm doing the right thing, and you can comment and let me know. So I'm going to show you the plan now. So this is the spare wheel carrier here. So what I'm thinking about doing, these are the 2 brackets that hold the axle in, 2 bits of box section across there, and then I will put 2 bits of box section that will go underneath these 2 bars. I will weld to the other side, that welds to the back, bolts in here to keep it in place, and another little box section coming up from the floor that bolts into here. If you think that's probably the best thing to do, or you think that'll work, let us know in the comments. And yeah, so appreciate if you do, and I'll see you next time.